Hi, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I want to talk with you quickly about a philosophy that I use or strive to use when using social media, including LinkedIn, and it's called Lead with Give. And I learned about this philosophy when I was studying Dale Carnegie's book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. And Dale has some principles in his book that really rang true with me, and here are a few of them that I think you may see the relevance to the philosophy of Lead with Give. And his second principle in the book is called Give Honest, Sincere Appreciation. It's a powerful way to lead with give, even when using LinkedIn. His principle number 4 is become generally interested in the other person. Again, if you're generally interested in opening up the dialogue and having conversations with someone on LinkedIn, then it's a great way to lead with give. His number 6 principle is remember that a person's name to that person is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Again, using someone's name in your messaging and your conversation is a great way to lead with give. His 7th principle is be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves. Again, that's a lead with give philosophy. Dale's principle number 8 in his book is talk in terms of the other person's interest. Again, a lead with give philosophy. And principle number 9 in Dale's book is make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. All of these principles play a role in Lead with Give, which creates the opportunity to build trust, respect, and like, even in our LinkedIn activities. Now, I took these philosophies from Dale Carnegie's book and developed this Lead with Give mentality, and I've applied them to a bunch of tactics using LinkedIn. Now, these tactics are very purposefully focused on my most important viewer, but I won't ignore others when I have the opportunity to share and use these philosophies as well. And here are a few of the tactics that I use. First is pay attention to your target audience's birthdays and career moves. Another one is engage with your target audience or most important viewer and their content where relevant and appropriate. Another way to do this tactfully is to share content with your LinkedIn network that can be useful and interesting to them, even if it's not about your business. Another idea or tactic is to introduce your LinkedIn network to each other, again, where relevant and where appropriate and potentially mutually beneficial. Another tactic is to invite your most important viewer or target audience to lunch, coffee, or to drinks when you go into their town or they come into yours. And another one that's pretty easy to do is to alert your most important viewer to upcoming community events or industry events or information that they need to know about. When you adopt these Lead with Give philosophies and you implement some of these tactics, this is how we create trust, respect, and like. At the end of the day, people do business with people that they trust, respect, and like. And therefore, we should look for ways to generate that. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope that was helpful.